We're live.
Oh, shoot. Hey, what's up, everybody? How's
Hey,
it
guys.
going? Welcome back to the trading show.
Yeah. Please take it away. Do the intro. Go ahead.
Yeah. Oh, hey, everybody. Welcome back to the trading show. I'm Brendan, and I'm here with
David. Brendan, you're in a short. Tell me about it.
Okay, I'm in a Bitcoin short right now. Off of this, you see this beautiful yellow trend line here. And then I have a change of character. And, okay, that's not the right trend line. I have a change of character, and I have my fair value gap. And I got in on my fair value gap right here at 88,419.2. I posted it in the Discord for anybody that wanted to follow me once I put the limit order in. And then my stop is at 88,689.9, and my TP is at 87,538.1. So I'm just hoping it dumps. I'm very short bias on everything that's going on right now. David made a good point though that it could be a long buy situation just for the short term, just because of the price action that we're seeing right now. But I mean, I don't really know what to call this price action. It's just random. And as we speak, I'm stopped out.
Oh, you got stopped out?
Just look at the candle.
Oh, damn.
Like I said, I don't know what this price action is. Holy sh.
Yeah, it's guys, very interesting price action this morning. Here we'll just follow along. I think there's gonna be short opportunity here.
Oh,
Take a look at 80. We're about to cross 89K. Yeah, we are getting here. I got 10-minute here. Market cipher. We are getting a blue reversal triangle here. I do think we might hit this VWAP band 89,730.
Dude,
in fact, I'm gonna go ahead and 89,706. Let's go ahead and 89,7. Let's go ahead and go short here, and we'll hide our stop loss fairly. We'll have a fairly tight stop loss, and it's reversing, and we'll bring this down to that MA, which will give us a nice little TP here. And I expect VWAP to hold. In fact, it's probably bump that up to 90.1 on my stop loss.
That was crazy.
Yeah, I mean,
I was like watching it, and then it just started going and going. It's still going.
Yeah,
now
let's go there.
Over a little bit.
I'm actually gonna move my limit order up a little bit. We'll move stop loss down there. And this is a big candle on a big move. Actually, I'm going to cancel that because we might get continuation. Look at this massive volume coming in. I want to see what price does here on Bitcoin. We do have a potential trigger wave short here on the 10 and the 15 minute on BTC. But this thing is a high-speed train moving at 188 miles an hour. Don't ask me why I said 188. 88 is the year I was.
What's crazy, too, is I was going to get in on a long. But then I was like, you know what? Every single time that we've gotten a long confluence, it's dumped.
Yeah.
And so then I was like, all right, I'll just wait for the next dump. And then
but don't worry. From what we've seen, this should be a reversal right back down.
Yeah, you know, I mean, if you're in right now, take profits early because.
Oh yeah, we're getting 30 minutes giving us reversal. Look at that. It got rejected right at.
You're right.
Right at that VWAP. 10-minute, nothing yet. 15-minute. 15-minute, we got a nice setup for a potential trigger wave short. We'll see if that flashes. The green red dot here on market cipher B. Let's see if I would have. Yeah, my limit order would have filled. I canceled it. Look at that. And so I'm gonna be patient. I want to see this red dot flash. 10-minute, nothing yet on the 10-minute. 15-minute, 30-minute. They just have a green dot, which kind of. Yeah, I mean, we're getting flashes of reversal here. And so I like, like my bias right now overall is short. We go to the 4-hour. I mean, we're obviously, this is a clear downtrend. And so the best thing you can do is you short their support levels. But you gotta wait for a clear reversal. And right now there is no clear reversal. We might even tap this 90K region before we start to reverse back out to the downside. Nothing yet on the 10, the 15, but a lot of volatility, guys. A lot of volatility.
Yeah, that was crazy. That was a crazy move. I was not expecting that.
Yeah, a lot of manipulation. And that's why you got to have those stop losses, man, because, you'll have trades that go against you. But like this morning, I'll show you guys. I hit a pretty nice Bitcoin trade this morning. This was I made $480 this morning. I did lose a couple trades thereafter. Got stopped out in the morning show. You guys know I got into I believe it was a short or a long. Got stopped out. I was in the profit $180. Got stopped out at like minus 90 or something with the fees. Again, I like 110. And so just, we're printing a little bit of a doji at the top here, man. And it's at that VWAP line. We do have this support here, this high volume area at 89,452. I want to see how price reacts there, but I'm not touching this thing until a clear reversal or continuation is now the nail in the coffin would be a green dot on market cipher A. Still no red dot on B. On the 10-minute, the 15-minute, the 30-minute. 30-minute, we're not set up for a short trigger wave yet.
That was just a crazy like chop period into straight. Like,
yeah, but I mean, here's the thing. If you look on the 15-minute, there was no clear low.
yeah,
There's no clear high. This is just a massive 2% candle on a 15-minute time frame, guys. That is a big move. But I would expect 90K to get rejected. I am curious to see what happens at 90.175 thousand, which is this level here. I just keep an eye on that. And so for me, I'm not in any positions currently, but I'm eyeing a short, right? I think the thumbnail said short bias or some shit like that. But I'm eyeing a short. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Flash. Reversal signal flashes. We dip 2%. Reversal signal flashes. We have a little bit more upside, and we go down.
Limit order at?
I don't have a limit order. I canceled it.
Oh, okay.
I would have filled it. I think I would have gotten stopped out, actually. So a lot of volatility. I want to see where this thing settles in. We'll come back to Bitcoin, but let's take a peek at the rest of the markets. We have some big gainers. River up 30%. Ken up 15%. MYX up 18%. Pretty green overall on the hour. Green as well, but on the week, you can see there's only a few that are in the green, including River. Still up 44%. Big losers, Monero down 32% on the week.
That's what we were talking about yesterday.
Yeah. As Bitcoin continues to make a push to the upside, it is kind of tinkering with that VWAP line. I don't know, man. I think this thing gets rejected.
I agree.
But I don't want to try to front run and get stopped out. And so I'm trying to remain patient, remain disciplined. I know it's very hard to do sometimes, but this is just, yeah. Can we take a look at an Ethereum chart? Let's take a peek at ETH. Brendan, anything you're seeing there?
Let's see. Ooh, wow. Okay. So 30-minute has reached a level of support that hasn't been tapped for a while. We're in that area right now, or we were in that area a little bit ago. Here it is right here. We tapped it barely. And that's at that top of that level, that range is 2873. And now we're kind of seeing some type of rejection to the upside on the 30-minute, and we're past our any level of resistance, low level of resistance. So our next level of resistance is at 113.73. So I think that if Bitcoin continues to run, obviously you always have to look back at Bitcoin, but I think that you can go up there and trade at least up to that level and even through it if Bitcoin continues on this, whatever this is that it's doing, to the upside. So I think that if I was going to trade this right now, let me see if I can find something on the 1 minute. Because of this is such a big move up from Bitcoin, everything's in such a big uptrend. There's no trend now. It just got absolutely obliterated. So if I were going to trade this, probably would try to get a limit order somewhere around this for this unfilled fair value gap on the 30-minute right here. It'll get filled with probably the next 30-minute candle. And then you can see a move to the upside. So that's what I'll be looking for.
Yeah, we did see volume drop on that second 5-minute candle on Bitunix here. And I'm just kind of looking. We did get a green dot that flashed. And you can see here, it almost happened at 90.1K region. Guys, still expecting a reversal here on Bitcoin. I do have a limit order set at 90.1K. And I'm going to put my stop loss right above this high here. And then we're going to move our TP down to this moving average. In fact, I'm going to move this up just a tad bit, 90.158. Yep, I like this trade setup. So I got a limit order 90.158, enter into a short, stop loss 90.4K, TP 88.9K. And so if this feels great, if it doesn't, well, we'll just we'll try to find another trade. Solana, this is interesting. Got Polymarket pulled up here. What price will Solana hit in January? The odds on favorite is under $120, between 110 and 120, 40% probability. 120 to 150 is about a 15% possibility. What are you seeing on the Solana chart, Brendan? Is there an opportunity here to make some money?
Okay, let's see. I like Solana. Solana's my bread and butter here. This is what I trade the most of. Yes, same thing with Bitcoin. I really like Solana in a bullish standpoint for the year personally, but on the 30-minute right here, obviously, like I said last time, you have to always check what Bitcoin's doing. This right here is a support area right here where we haven't filled, and this is a support area we've been in a lot before. I talked about it a lot at the end of the year last year in December, and we broke through it, but we re-maintained it as support. So I have no reason to feel as if it would not continue. Obviously, we've seen the dump from Bitcoin and now the whatever this run is that's going on. And so for me right here,
oh, I think I know what happened.
What?
Shout out to Brokyoshi. Oh yeah. I would not get into a short, guys. I canceled my position. Brokyoshi, thank you so much for sharing in the chat, brother. I love you. I appreciate you. Justin, President Trump cancels EU tariffs after forming framework for a deal on Greenland. Wow. Okay.
Okay. So now we're seeing
now I just careful. I cancel my short order.
Yeah.
Now this could still go down, but
I'm not gonna mess with anything right now.
Now this move makes a little more sense, Brendan.
Yeah, that makes a lot more sense.
Yep. We're above 90K. Massive swings, you guys. I mean,
Crazy.
Just from this morning at 9:15, we're up 3%, my friends.
Yeah.
And you guys can see I got my leverage on 50x. That's a pretty nice payday. Now, obviously, we're not over here nailing the exact bottoms and tops, unless you get lucky. Anyone says that they nail it exactly is more than likely bullshitting you. But hey, I guess we have a little more upside until we figure out what he gets mad about next. And
yeah, so that's helpful. But that's also kind of annoying because of that. I mean, I've been talking about it for a couple weeks now about how Bitcoin has just not found its range yet in the new year, right? And so this situation with Trump and the Greenland stuff could have made us find a bearish range, right? Where you could know where you're going to trade those shorts, right? And then you know what the market's going to do. I mean, great. Now that we have some upside, anybody that's holders of Bitcoin, great for you guys. But for traders, it's going to be harder now because it's going to be seeking a different range until Trump gets mad about the next thing. So
we're going to take over the penguins in Antarctica.
Yeah. And so
they're important for national security.
Yeah, they have all the minerals in them. And so until we find that range, it's increasingly harder to trade if you don't study the charts. And I mean, yeah, you'll take more losses that way. But it is what it is, and the wins, if the wins are bigger than the losses, then it is what it is. So for me personally, I'm glad that we found some type of confluence or something to let us know where the price action was going to go. And so we can't obviously say, yeah, it's going to keep going up because it could find a top here and not sweep liquidity or anything like that. And
real quick, I want to also give a shout out to Grogan H. He did post before Brokyoshi about Trump. So thank you to you as well. Yeah, I saw the blue first. And Brokyoshi also tagged us. So that was easy to see as well. So you can see this is what our chat looks like. Take a peek right here. You can see it's kind of highlighted, and so I saw this. But yes, you're right, my friend. Groggen8 said trumped just truth about Greenland deal. And so, but Bitcoin nonetheless is getting rejected at 90K.
Yeah. And
so we'll see, man. I'm not jumping the gun on anything. You see RSI just took just reversed completely. It's an overbought territory currently as Bitcoin hovers around that 90K region. I want to see a clear break above. Love to see it on the 15 or even the 30-minute time frame, which obviously would take a little more time. But just beware, guys. Just beware. The numbers are the numbers. Every time we've seen this, we see reversals. Now, it might be another candle or two to the upside before we get that ultimate reversal. But you can see here, right? 2% down, and I already measured those, so I'm not going to do it again. But I don't know. There's looks like a relief rally is here, and shout out to whoever this person is, Megan Trainor. Okay, just had a baby. Nice.
No, she's a surrogate.
Yeah. Ooh, this is pretty good. Nice. Sire, we're thrilled to announce our partnership with Polymarket.
I actually saw this morning.
Yeah, I still hold Sire, man. I know a lot of people are bearish on this project. I like these guys, man. I haven't sold a single token. And so let's see where Sire's at. Let's actually see where Sire's at. Let's go to Dex Tools. This thing, we're still in the green. We got in a sub-million market cap. So I know this thing's been, oh, it's up 36% on the day. Let's go. 37% on the day. Yeah, this inverse head and shoulders didn't quite play out. But we're seeing increased volume on this move up. This is great. And so I don't know. I'd be targeting, if you bought down here, you're doing fairly well. But I think this thing can still go to 20 to 30 million market cap in the short term. A lot higher upside targets, which if I share with you now, you're gonna think I'm crazy because of where the markets are. But I believe in this project long term. I believe in the team, and it's something that's completely uncorrelated to crypto. Sure, obviously it's a crypto token, so to some extent it will move with the markets. But then there'll be times where this thing is up 40% while everything else is kind of down. So shout out to the team, Max, Sire, all those guys. I'm just trying to scroll and see if there's any other news with this whole Trump thing, and Europe now holds 10 trillion in assets. Trump says yes. Okay, so here we go. Here's that. Based on a very productive meeting that I just had with Secretary General of NATO, Mark Rutte, we have formed the framework of a future deal with respect to Greenland and, in fact, the entire Arctic region. This solution, if consummated, will be a great one for the United States and all NATO nations. Based upon this understanding, I will not be imposing the tariffs that were scheduled to go into effect on February 1st. Additional discussions are being held concerning the Golden Dome as it pertains to Greenland. Further information will be made available as discussions progress. Vice President J.D. Vance, Marco Rubio, Special Envoy Steve Witkoff, and various others, as needed, will be responsible for the negotiations. They will report directly to me. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Thanks, guys. Okay, now lay off the Cheetos and the phone, my dude, for just a little bit, all right? Just let us stay above 90K for a little bit, dude. And then, do whatever you want to do. But yeah, so I guess good news in the short term, but just still be, have your guard up there.
It would have been really nice to get into this trade down here because this is where I was going to get into it. If you look at my chart right here,
yeah,
this area right here, this change of character, I had a trend line drawn out for it and everything. And I was like, you know what? I don't think it's going to go bullish. I just think that's not smart of me. And then now look at it. Look at that. That's a big move right there.
It's a big daddy move right there.
That would have been, if I would have got in right here, and this is the fair value gap I would have got in off of.
That's a lot of Dutch Bros for you, bro.
Oh, I love Dutch Bros.
I know you do. You show up every day with one.
I know. It's so good.
Yeah. What's up with the hair? Is that like a new style or what?
It looks good.
Okay. I didn't say it looks bad. I just said
I like it.
Okay.
Do you like it?
That's cool, man. So okay, Jay Andrew said, can you answer my super chat from the last stream? What was it? You don't got to do another super chat, but just throw your question in there and I'll answer it. Sorry if we skipped over that or missed it. Yeah, I'm just look at that. Is that green dot? Is that green dot? Oh, it is green dot.
Green dot.
Okay, green dot. The dot of doom, the dot of despair. Right, you get that followed. You get that right after a blue triangle. Usually is a reversal. So
I'm still bearish.
I'm actively looking to short. Yeah, 30-minute. I mean, everything is just except this one. Look at that. I was trying to go through, seeing if there's any. I mean, like, what the fuck is this, bro? Hey, down 2%. Psych.
Up
right
2%.
back at you. I want to know what the chat thinks. Are you guys leaning bearish, bullish? What's kind of your bias here, my friends? Whoa,
I'm seeing something up there on your trading view chart. Is that a 21-minute time frame I just saw?
It is 21 for blackjack.
What?
Because we're in Vegas.
Okay, so what? Why 21 and not 20?
Because blackjack 21.
Is that really the reason?
Yeah. And then you have the 21 hour.
What?
21 minute.
I don't have that.
Don't be jacking. Don't be jacking my time frames, bro. Get your own.
Well, maybe I'll try the 23-minute.
Yeah, do it, dude.
Because 23, Michael Jordan.
Yeah. Who's better, Michael Jordan or LeBron James?
Michael Jordan. I'll die on that hill.
What about Kobe or Jordan? Or Kobe?
Steph Curry's better than all of them.
Curry is not better than
Curry's the
Jordan.
greatest NBA player of all time.
Okay. How old are you?
18.
Motherfucker, Curry is not better than Jordan. Are you high?
Curry is the best NBA player of all time.
He's the best NBA player of all
Nobody
time.
was scared of Jordan like they are of Curry.
They literally made a rule for Jordan.
Curry's the best NBA player of all time. I'll die on that hill. And Jordan is better than LeBron, and Kobe and Jordan are like equal.
So you really, because Steph just makes a bunch of threes? Dude plays no defense.
Nobody does it like
he
that.
had Klay Thompson and Kevin Durant, bro.
Oh my God. That year they lost.
Yeah, but all of his championships were with Hall of Fame players.
That's not true. Did you watch 2021 NBA season?
Yeah.
They won.
Did they not have I know they didn't have KD, but I don't know, man.
And Klay Thompson in that championship shot literally 8 for like 51 from 3. Steph Curry is the best NBA player of all time.
Chat, help me, bro. This dude said Curry is the best of all time. Like, what?
He is. And Bo Nix is the greatest quarterback to ever touch turf. I'll die on both of those hills.
Okay, well, you die on that hill. Don't die because we need you. But while you theoretically die on the hill, so James said, can you please answer my... Okay, so what the super chat was, I say we should give Trump one more year in order to say Bitcoin and crypto prices themselves should support Newsom. I will never support Newsom. I know this has nothing to do with crypto. I am not a Newsom guy. I think he's done a shitty job in California. Not to say that, the person in office has done a phenomenal job. I don't think anyone's perfect, but I will never vote for Gavin Newsom. I got family that lives out in California. It's a complete shit show. It's a disaster. No, but guess what? If the trend continues, Trump will lose the Republicans the midterms. And, I almost got tapped in. Look at that. Fucking shit, man. Tap me in, dude.
Dang, you are close. Wow. It's going to go right now.
It's going to go right now. Yeah. I'm front running this thing a little bit, but whatever, dude.
Hey, Broke Aoshi, we like you, but don't ever say that about Bo Nix again.
What did he say about Bo Nix?
He said he's a system quarterback.
It kind of is, don't it?
Are you serious? Did you not see what... oh, my gosh. Don't even get me started right now. Don't even get me started. Sean Payton almost single-handedly lost the Broncos that game.
You just hate Sean Payton, bro.
He's... Okay. Great guy with Drew Brees. Awesome. Cool. Awesome. He did great. He literally almost single-handedly lost us the game. We got the ball back in plus territory in the 15. He ran a pitch on 3rd and 6 that hadn't got us a yard all season.
Yeah, well,
It's okay. In Stiddy, we trust. Hey, and everybody says Bo Nix is system quarterback. Bo Nix is this. Bo Nix sucks. Bo Nix is this. As soon as Bo Nix went out, everybody said, "Oh, the odds for the Broncos to win the Super Bowl are down. Oh, no Bo Nix, no this, no that." Okay. Now what is it? Is it Bo Nix is good or is it Bo Nix sucks?
I like Bo Nix.
I love Bo Nix.
I like the underdogs. I also like it when Bitcoin has a stupid ass wick, cashes me in on my trade, and then starts moving in my direction. Okay, so yeah, I think. Damn it! It's gonna tap me in. Tap me in. Just there we go. He
redid his super chat, by the way. Just want to let you know.
What's up?
He redid his super chat. If we scroll up a little bit, if we can.
No, I think it was a different super chat. All right, guys, I'm tapped in. If you want to follow along on the trade, I feel fairly confident. Just have a stop loss. I got mine at 90.6K.
We see that right there.
What? Oh, Tau, Render, or Virtuals. I got to pick one. I'm picking Tau, then Virtuals, then Render. That would be my my tier list. In honor of that super chat, Ricky, thank you. Wow, Jay Andrews said Bo Nix is Tebow 2.0.
Okay, we'll see. I mean,
well, we can't see this weekend because he's out.
You guys say, oh man,
you hit a nerve, guys.
Bo Nix haters make me so mad, man, because he's
Brendan's
so
a massive Broncos fan.
Oh man,
we see it now.
Man.
Anyway, let's talk about the trades. So far, jinxing myself, but it's looking fairly good.
Yeah.
And 10-minute. I want to see 10-minute. We got the green dot 10-minute, man. I'm happy with my entry. Currently in the profit. $190 and counting. Look at that. If you're watching our show right now, you're making money.
Ooh,
don't be afraid
dumper.
to take some profits here.
Wowzers.
If you want to.
Hey, you called it though. You called it.
Yeah, I called it and Market Cypher called it. So shout out to Market Cypher. You know what? You know what? Should we just bank this trade now?
That's you. I'm not in it. So
Let's move our stop
should have got
loss
in it.
to guaranteed profit. So this is what I like to do, guys. All right, you're kind of watching poetry in motion here, and look at that. Your boy straight up called the top. Let's go.
Look at that dump right there, though.
That's a dumper right there. Let's gonna move our stop loss down here. So we're guaranteed in the profit $193. We'll move our TP down a little bit. And so we'll see. But yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's dumping. Let's go. Let's go.
This guy, man. Bitunix was not good at Auburn. He was not good until he went to Oregon. If that makes you feel better, Broke Yoshi.
I like Broke Yoshi. You leave that man alone. He's a good man.
I'm not hating on him. I just don't like that he's talking about the glorious Bitunix.
You kind of glazing a little bit here, my dude.
Oh, till the day I die.
Okay.
We haven't been here in 10 years.
We're here now, bro. Okay, let's just monitor this trade. It looks like maybe my stop will get hit, but that's okay.
Is it in the green?
Yep, stop is in the green, $200.
Dude, I should have got in there. I didn't get in there.
I might be a little, let's move it up to this high here, right there. 150, we'll take it. It's currently trending back down again.
I don't see a reason why it would stop out. There's nothing that it should catch on. Like there's no.
But you never know. Yes, it is catching on this VWAP, right? It's respecting it. So 89, 822.
Right there.
Yeah, let's go ahead and bump it up. 89. What was it? 89, 922. Let's go here.
Wick low.
Yeah. You know what? Let's just go here. Let's take this wick. We'll keep our SL up there. So either make $150 or $430. I'm happy either way. And so, yeah. Can we take a peek at a bit tensor chart? Tau, and my stop loss is about to get hit right now.
It's all right. Sharing the profit.
Stop loss, made money. What'd I make? $120. I'll take it. I'll take it, baby. Made $120 in what, 5 minutes?
Cow is in an uptrend right now.
I like it.
Big uptrend.
Yeah.
Obviously following Bitcoin. I like it though.
Show me. Is there a trade setup somewhere in here?
Let me see. Let me go back to the 1 minute. Let's see. Not right now, obviously, because I was talking about with Solana, Bitcoin kind of ruined any trend that was going on. So my trend line strategy isn't going to work here. But on the 30 minute, I mean, you see these big blue candles, and you're actually getting a change of character here. So that could show you some green upside here on the 30 minute. You also hit an area of support. What is this? Do you see that wick?
Where? Yeah. Was that October 10th? No,
that's January
225.
That's the 18th.
What are you on? Bybit? No.
Yeah, this is Bybit.
Oh shit! Damn. Somebody got liquidated.
Yeah,
to death.
Holy cow.
Holy cow.
Yeah. But this area of support right here is our area of support. We're rebounding off of it. I like this to the upside here. If it was me, obviously I like the 30-minute unfilled for value gaps. That's how I trade my 30 minutes or off of just the bounce of the support. We got to bounce off the support, and now we have an unfilled 30-minute, and I don't see a reason why it won't get filled. This candle closes in 5 minutes, so unless this for value gap gets invalidated by this candle right here in the next 5 minutes, which I don't think it will, I would set a limit order at the midpoint and then ride this up probably to this wick high right here at 250.57. That's what I'd be looking to do on Tau. But I like the way that it's moving. This area of support right here is, I mean, we're catching it here and we're moving up because the last area of support, we haven't been in there since the end of December. So,
yeah. I was just looking, dude. We literally nailed the exact top of this move.
Yeah, that was good.
93.70.
I had a feeling it was going to reverse. I don't know. It was just such a crazy move to the upside. Something had to happen, but
it's a big number. Yeah, guys, honestly, I think this is a relief rally that eventually gives it all back up.
Well, okay, so yeah, that could be a case, but also on the 1 minute here, obviously you take this with a grain of salt like we always talk about, and I trade the 1 minute a lot, but what I'm seeing is just good price action, all right? You made a big move up, and now we're making a little bit of a move down to create that price action, right? Because that's like how I do move my trailing stop and things like that. I think this could possibly be the Bitcoin is just making that good price action, and it's going to continue to the upside, and you'll see more of this. Let me get my my Mozart drawing out. Let me see. Hold on. Where is it at? Right here. And you'll see this, right? You have this move down, and then you'll see this go up, and then you'll see this move down, and then you'll see this move up. And it's just creating that price action where you're seeing that trend start to make. And then eventually that trend will get broken. I don't think that this is just going to be this move to the upside, and then we'll see it flush to the downside. Because I think if that were to happen, this candle right here would have been a crazy dumper right here, and then you would have seen more move to the downside. So I think this is a possibility of just a little bit of a move to the downside, and this area is your point where it's going to move to the upside. That's what I'm thinking. Just looking at this price action.
Here's where I look at it too, right? Like, just looking on Bitunix. By the way, guys, you want to support our channel, man? Create a Bitunix account. Actually, do this first. Go to our Discord. Join our Discord. It's free. Go to VIP access, and then here, click this link to register. Once you register and deposit $100, they'll give you $20. No strings attached, and they use that to trade. Okay. I've used a lot of different platforms. You guys know we've kind of, I don't want to say promoted. We have promoted, but we've also had some links. You know, we've used Buy DeFi, Weeks, Mexi. Not bad mouthing any of those, but personally, this has been my favorite exchange to trade on. UI is great. UX is great. Liquidity is amazing. I mean, this is where crypto face trades. And why do I say that? The guy has, you know, $10 to $20 million trades. So he enters and exits with size, with no issues. And so, yeah, man. And I've also probably gotten like $600 of bonuses from these guys, just from my trading volume. And so if you're looking for a great exchange, guys, highly recommend it. There's a link in the description. Or you can also just go to the Discord. You get that free $20 and be part of our Discord as well. But if you look at this, I also look at it like this. Okay. We had this move up. Like, the moves up are like pulling teeth, right? If you only knew. Jesus Christ. Right? We got these like small moves, like 1 minute candles. Yes. And then look, in one 1 minute candle, we took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last 6 candle moves, almost 7. We took them out in one candle, and then we make it all back in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we can't even reclaim the open of this candle. And then we dump, and then now we're going back up again. Yeah. So it's like very difficult to push the price up. It takes a lot more candles, and then in one candle,
dump.
We just lose it all.
I agree.
I look at that price action. I'm like, relief rally, Greenland news. We're seeing the flashes of the indicators, right? Which are fairly accurate. Timing might not be perfect, but they're very accurate. And it's telling us there's a reversal coming. I would wait, top out, watch for a high volume red candle close. And then at that point, I'd enter into a short. And so not yet. Not yet. I do think we maybe get a push up to close to 91K, man. Now, the question might be then, why don't you run it from 90.3 to 91K? Because I think at any point, this thing can dump. And when it dumps, it's going to dump hard.
Yeah.
I do think we take out this low at 87.2. So, any other charts you want to take a peek at, Brendan?
Not personally, no. I'm just in a right now big time wait and see mode. I don't want to get into anything that
put you in harm's way.
Yeah.
Fair enough. All right, guys, that'll do it for the show today. We want to thank you all for tuning in on behalf of myself and Brendan. We appreciate you. We go live Monday through Friday, although this Friday we will not be doing a trading show. There's some personal things I got to take care of.
I also will not be here, so.
You won't? Okay, perfect. So, but yeah, usually Monday through Friday, 11:30 a.m. Pacific time, we do the trading show. Come join us. We love you. Peace.